Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to talk to you about our 6-inch safety scraper blades. These are meant for your typical 6-inch glass scrapers, such as the Unger Ninja, Triumph, etc. Now I did do a video on this in the past, and I remember in the past, I think it was about 4 or 5 years ago, I mentioned that these were designed to fit Triumph scrapers. Well, this is an updated video to show you that it actually fits other different types of glass scrapers as well. Not all, but I will show you in detail which ones they do fit. Now, you might be wondering, if you haven't seen my original video, why would you need a plastic blade versus a metal blade? Well, there might be some instances where a metal blade could cause some damage, such as window frames, floors, that kind of thing, any delicate surface. I've also noticed, especially in the last 6 months, I'm getting more and more contractors coming in where builders are actually telling them they can't use a metal blade. And, you know, it's up to the cleaner himself whether or not he wants to take on the job when a builder is trying to dictate what kind of cleaning processes must be used. But, I mean, it's good to at least have the solution that we have these 6-inch plastic safety scraper blades. So like I said, they do fit some of the most popular window cleaning glass scrapers, such as the Unger Ninja, the Triumph MK3, it's the straight one, and as well as our new World Products 6-inch glass scraper. Now you may have noticed I mentioned that with the Triumph, it's the straight one that you need to use it with. The only particular reason why that is, and unfortunately I don't have a 6-inch angled version of this here, but if you could imagine, with the angled version, we'll just use the Unger here. Works perfectly fine with the Unger, and I'll tell you why, because see where the tab is? So when these blades are in, you probably can see that the angle goes this way. So when they go in, it's perfectly in fine and in line with that angle. However, with the Triumph MK3, I mean, it's perfect when it's straight, but if you have the angled version, for some reason the way they design these blades is that slight angle on the blade is actually backwards. So imagine if this was a Triumph 6-inch MK3, the blade would actually be flipped around like this. So as you can see, you'd have to actually use the scraper upside down. I mean, you could do it, but it just wouldn't be ideal. So if you definitely want to use plastic blades with an angled scraper, you're going to have to go with the Unger Ninja. It's the only solution. Other than that, works great with the Triumph Straight, and like I said, also the World Products 6-inch scraper. So the way it works is to switch over to a plastic blade, you would take out the blade as well as the blade holder, because the thickness of the blade and the blade holder is the same thickness as the actual plastic blade. So you wouldn't put the blade holder back in, so just make sure that after you've taken this out, you put it in a safe spot so you don't cut yourself. And just like replacing a blade and a blade holder, when you take a look at a 6-inch scraper, it's got a single slot line on one side, and then the other side has a slot and then a side slot. That's where these little, you can see these little, I guess guides, if you want to call it anything, that's where they've got to fit into. It does fit a little snug on the World Scraper, but it is a nice tight fit once you get it in. It's not going to fall out at all. So there you go. You're all ready to scrape away with this particular combination. Now just to let you know too, I don't know how long I'll be running the special here, but I am going to be putting the World Scraper and a 6-pack of these blades together in a package deal, so you'll save yourself $2 or $3. Otherwise, you can just buy these. They do come in 6-packs. You can buy these for your existing Triumph scraper, or you can buy one from me, as well as your Unger Ninja. Hopefully that all makes sense to you. 6-inch scraper blades as to why you would want to use them and what scrapers you can use them with. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.